She stood up, but not to fight, not to accuse, just to ask for something no court can order. A father.
Sit back, relax, and enjoy listening. The judge glances at the defense bench. His voice is calm, but final. Does the defense have anything further to offer before I deliver judgment? A long pause. RK's lawyer rises slowly. A deep breath. And then, no, Your Honor. Silence. Tense. Complete. Like the entire room exhales, then forgets how to breathe again. The judge straightens. He looks at RK steady. Given the evidence presented, the testimony of the witness, and the surveillance footage, this court finds that while no criminal offense has been committed, the emotional damage caused by the defendant's actions warrants compensation. He begins to write. The court hereby orders the defendant to pay a settlement for emotional distress, legal costs, and medical support in the amount of. Your Honor. A voice. Clear. Shaky. From the back. Everyone turns, all at once. She stands. Eyes red. Not from rage, from holding back. Hands trembling, but she doesn't sit down. She's not falling apart. But something in her body looks like it's holding itself together by will. Please don't. The judge hesitates. Miss, this is not procedurally. Please. Please. I don't want money. Her voice is soft, but clear, like glass that hasn't cracked yet. This was never about money or revenge. She turns, eyes not angry, just full of something heavier. I know he may not love me. Maybe he never did. And that's okay. I'm not here hoping for some fairy tale ending. She places her hand gently over her stomach. But I'm carrying his child. A breath. A pause. A truth she'd rehearsed 1,000 times but still trembles saying. And someday, that child is going to ask about him. Her gaze lands on RK, not to accuse, not to demand, just to speak. I don't want to tell our child that their father walked away. I want to tell them he was a good man. A great one, even someone who stood up when it mattered. Even if he doesn't love me, even if we never speak again, I just want him to be in the child's life. I want our child to know him, not as the man in court, not as a name in headlines, but as a father. Another pause. That's all I want. Not punishment, not sympathy, just a chance for this child to know the best of him. The courtroom sits frozen. Even the air feels heavier. RK still doesn't move. Not a single shift. The judge lowers his pen, no verdict. Just watching. Because somehow, this just became something else. Something beyond justice. Something human. And heartbreakingly real.